So in this video, I'm going to go through a feature called Diagnostic Plot, which is a feature that is getting more and more attention and it's getting more and more usage. That's a feature where you can essentially plot all kinds of time series data for the different wells against each other. And it's all about the topic of creating a template. So I'll show you how to create a template that you can then reuse and design to your needs or your company's needs. And then you can decide if you want to make that a company-wide or a private template. So these are the steps. So let's say I would like to create a PNR plot, so a pressure normalized rate plot versus mat ball time or something like that, or maybe just versus regular time. Let's say I would like to do that. Then I create a template name. This I can change later, and I'll click Save. The second step is that I need to pick the wells and the associated analyses that I would like to use in the plot. So in this particular project, I have a few wells, and under a couple of the wells, I have some different analyses. So I need to pick, for instance, for this well, the main analysis, and also for this well, I need to pick the other analysis. Now I picked a couple of wells. You can change and toggle on and off these as we go. And now I'm ready to make my diagnostic plot. And to create my diagnostic plot, I need to click Edit here up to the left. Decide what I would like on my y-axis, which in this case will be a PNR plot. So that's everything under normalized rates and pseudopressures. And you'll see there's a ton of different categories here. So you just need to click the category, make it expand, and you're off to the races. And I think I wanted to have a PNR plot. So let's do a pressure normalized oil rate plot versus, I guess versus just regular time. That's fine. Here you can also set the min and max of the axis, which I always recommend, at least to have some different min and max here. You can change this later, and when you're done, you can click Save, and you'll get some default things here. Here, I obviously screwed up with the maximum part on my PNR plot because I was unsure about my units there. So maybe I'll just make that 1 instead, and that will hopefully make more sense. Oops, that was the wrong axis. Sorry about that. So I'll do something like this, and we should be good. Obviously, when you're done with making these, you can of course go in here and you can go and change these as you like if you want to adjust them further. Now you see that both my time series here are kind of in the same color. I would like to maybe also change some of the style of the actual lines. So if you just want to spread the colors real quick, you can use this option up to the right here. That's called spread colors. It's just a way for you to say, okay, I would like to spread them in whatever different color that we're dealing with right here. It just sets it to some different colors. An alternative to that would be to hold in Control on your keyboard and click the different time series data, and then you can go in and set either the colors individually for the whole data set, or you can say, okay, I would like to set I would like to remove the marker type. For instance, I would just like to, or in this case, maybe I only want circles, but I do not want any lines, for instance. So now I'm setting that for all the different cases. So it will look like this. I can also get to that place by clicking Edit and going to Layout and Design. That will bring me to the exact same uh, place as earlier right here. And once you're happy with your color distribution design, if you're good with that, you can go ahead and also make this a company-wide template. That means that you can change or share this template and make other people use it in the company if they want to. You can also go ahead and hide the legend. And of course, if you're done with using this and you don't want to see it in your template overview anymore, you can go ahead and click delete here up to the right.